Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be making an origami heart. We're going to be making it because Valentine's Day is coming up pretty soon. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So you're going to get a square piece of paper like this, and we are going to fold it diagonally in half. And then we're going to do the same, just the other way, so like the opposite. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this top corner down to the middle. So this is a fairly easy origami heart, so don't be worried if you aren't good at origami. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to fold this corner here to the top there. Now what we're going to do, so we're going to be folding this line here to the middle line there. You might not be able to see it on camera, but there's a fold right there. So it's, if you make your own, it'll be easier than watching me make it. Now we're going to do the same for the other side. We're just going to fold that to the middle. And at this point you can see that it's starting to take the shape of a heart. It's just that there's pointy corners. So we're just going to flip it over now. And we're going to fold this corner here down to the line there. We're going to do the same for this side. Then next we're just going to fold these corners in just a little bit. There's no there's no crease or anything to fold them to, so you can just, you know, do it until you think it looks good. That's like a choice that you can do there. Now you're done. You have your origami heart. Now, just make sure you crease it well so that it stays like that. And then, yeah, you're done. So make sure you'll have a good Valentine's Day. You know, make this for the person you like, you know, or you love, you know. You could be married. Make it for your wife or husband, you know. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.